The 2026 Ferrari Motorhome, the company's most daring design to date, defies all expectations on the legendary Formula One racetracks as well as the open road. More than just an RV, this mobile masterpiece demonstrates Ferrari's constant dedication to style and performance. The exterior is a sculpted marvel of aerodynamic design, with aggressive lines, smooth carbon fiber panels, and the iconic Prancing Horse logo. A hybrid V8 engine behind its stunning appearance generates an incredible 900+ horsepower, allowing this mobile house to reach previously unimaginable speeds for a vehicle of its size. The 2026 Ferrari Motorhome is a symphony of speed, style, and engineering that will completely transform luxury travel. As soon as you enter the cockpit, you're not in an RV, you're in a Ferrari. The dashboard is a clever ergonomic study that gives the driver complete control. In front of a racing-feel steering wheel composed of a combination of premium leather and carbon fiber is a massive, curved digital display. This panel provides all the essential driving statistics, including speed, G-force, and real-time engine performance indications, all displayed with the recognizable Ferrari interface. There are extremely few physical buttons on the controls. Most are controlled via the central infotainment system. A luxurious and high-tech driver-focused environment is created by the hand-stitched leather covering the whole dashboard, which also has carbon fiber and polished metal accents. The primary living room, which has been remodeled for optimal comfort, carries over the Ferrari DNA. Private aircraft cabins inspire the interior's open concept, flowing design. It is a sanctuary of luxury, with every surface meticulously crafted from the finest Italian materials. The walls are adorned with subtle carbon fiber accents and rich, velvety leather, while the flooring is a polished, smooth composite. The innovative setup includes a convertible living room that serves as a dining space, complete with comfortable seats and a fold-out table. Voice-activated devices and smart home automation allow you to control the lighting, temperature, and entertainment in your house with a single command. The master bedroom is a secluded haven designed to deliver the kind of sleep you would anticipate in a 5-star hotel. It has a luxurious orthopedic mattress and a full-size bed with excellent covers. Panoramic windows offer breathtaking views of the outside world, even in the middle of luxury, and help people feel more connected to nature. The room features a smart TV mounted on the wall and a state-of-the-art sound system. Built-in storage cabinets and drawers are discreetly integrated into the design, providing ample space for personal belongings without overpowering the simple, minimalist aesthetic. The lighting may be changed to create a peaceful, calming atmosphere. The onboard bathroom is a peaceful retreat. Its design is simple and clean, and it features a huge walk-in shower with a rain-style showerhead and elegant glass doors. The sink consists of a single, carved marble basin with a modern chrome faucet. Every fixture is expertly crafted, and the toilet is a contemporary low-flush system. The walls are made of polished tile and durable composites, and the floor is non-slip. The entire space is designed to be incredibly functional while maintaining the feel of a private, elite spa, the perfect balance of style and functionality. It is clear that the kitchen is highly efficient. Despite its small size, this gourmet workstation is fully equipped. It boasts a built-in induction burner, a microwave oven, a sleek worktop, and an energy-efficient refrigerator freezer that is surprisingly big. The simple cabinet's push-to-open operation keeps the outside tidy and clutter-free. A sleek marble sink with a retractable faucet adds a sophisticated touch. Since this kitchen is designed to create culinary marvels on the move rather than just serving ordinary meals, you can enjoy fine dining wherever your travels take you.